There is a 40-year-old man who asked me a question that why can't he grow a beard? Genetics plays a big role when it comes to beard growth. If you are 40 and you haven't yet grown any beard or whatsoever on your face, it means that genetics in your genes, you can't grow a beard. The same reason why a 40-year-old man can't grow a beard in 40s is the same reason why a 20-year-old man has that baldness on his head. Technically, you can't grow a beard because in your genes, you don't have the genes to grow beard. Genetically speaking, you can't grow a beard. I don't know if I explained this better, but it means that in your genes, it's just in your genes to grow a beard. Some people have full beard when they reach 50. Some never have a full beard at all. One thing you can do to speed up the process of you growing a beard is using a beard growth serum. Sometimes you find that the beard can't grow as fast as you expect it to grow. And sometimes you find that it's not even growing at all. And there's just nothing you can do about it. And it's okay. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.